it's Jeanette J Beauty and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get a beautiful defined twist out. Now I know that I have many twist out videos already, but the other day I put a poll up on the community tab and over half of you voted that you still need help doing twist out, so I figured that would be my next hairstyle and film it for you so I could show you how to get a beautiful defined twist out. So starting out on freshly washed hair, that is so important because you want to make sure that your hair is clean, and I just find that it's better to have products mold to your hair better and you don't have product built up. It's just better to start on clean, fresh hair. Now I'm going to part my hair in quadrants. Just part your hair in sections. It's really going to make it easier to manage your hair a lot better, to stay organized, and just to make this process a lot simpler. And I just showed you my two favorite tools for detangling and smoothing. These are going to be very important with doing styles like this. After I have my hair divided into fours, I'm going to start doing the WLOS method, and I'm going to spray a generous amount of water in each quadrant separately. And water is a moisturizer alone, but it's a very light moisturizer, so this is why I do layer products on my hair just to keep it nice and moisturized. And when I'm spraying the water on my hair, I'm just looking for my curls to really clump together. That's how I know that I have sprayed a good amount. Then I'm going to use my leave-in conditioner, and this one is from Shea Moisture from their 100% coconut oil line, and I absolutely love it. It is lightweight. It's very creamy, but it's lightweight for my hair, so it's not going to weigh my hair down, and it's perfect for doing twist outs, braid outs, flexirod sets, and perm rod outs because it does continue to nourish and condition my hair after wash day, but it does not weigh my hair down. Then to help seal all that moisture in my hair, I'm going to apply sweet almond oil. And I apply like a palm full of this oil, and I really massage it on my scalp and work it down the length of my hair. And after working the oil in, I'm just going to divide my hair in subsections within the quadrant and detangle my hair with a wide tooth comb. I really want my hair to be fully detangled with the styling process. This is how you're not going to have those tangles and your hair is just going to look smooth overall. You want to make sure that your hair is fully detangled, nice and smooth, and moisturized with styling your hair. And after I have done all of that, I'm just going to twist my hair. It's going to help to lock in that moisture and then clip it up. And I'm going to do the same exact thing to the other three quadrants of hair. So all I'm doing, just to recap, is spraying my hair with a generous amount of water. I really want to see my curls clump together, and then I'm spraying a good amount of the leave-in conditioner. Now it's going to be up to you with what texture and the consistency of leave-in conditioner that you use. Then I'm going to apply my oil. Sweet almond oil is one of my favorite oils to use. Work it in really good down the length of my hair, and then just make sure that my hair is fully detangled using the wide tooth comb. I just want my hair to be free of any tangles, no snags, just be really nice and smooth and moisturized. This is definitely key for having any style that you want. And also, by the way, I do wet style my hair, so I do not put heat on my hair. I don't stretch my hair. I just find that it is better to wet style. And after doing the same process to all four sections of my hair, I'm going to go back to the very first section, and you see my hair is still moisturized, but it's not weighed down. And then I'm going to apply my styler, which is from Uncle Funky's Daughter. This is their Curly Magic, and I absolutely love it. It's a nice custard. It has a great consistency, almost like a gel, but I do not have that gel cast. It just really forms to my hair, and it really gets my curls clumped together. I just love it. I'm going to work it in my hair with my fingers, and then I'm going to use my favorite Rattail Comb and smooth it in my hair. I'm really going to work the styler in my hair, and the styler of choice that you use is totally up to you, but I find that this one works really good, especially for twist outs. And as you can see, I'm starting the twist in the back of my hair. I always style my hair back to front. To start my twist, I'm just parting a small subsection within the quadrant. So I'm just making this really nice and easy. First, you want to just section your hair into quadrants, and then you're going to take the back section and just part a really small section. Make sure that your parts are nice and clean. They do not have to be perfect, but you do want the parts to be clean so that there's no hair snagging in between. And then once I have a good section of hair, I like medium sections. I find that it just allows for a great definition. I'm going to divide that small subsection of hair in half and then just start twisting my hair. I'm going to show you how to twist so many times within this video. But this right here is what we're not going to do. Not smooth the product in and just twist your hair all lackadaisical and just doing whatever. No, this is a bad twist, a really bad example. Do not twist your hair like this. It is bound to end up a fail. What you want to do, again, is make sure that you do comb your hair really good. Work that styler in. This is my favorite Rattail comb, and it really helps to detangle and smooth my hair really nicely. I'm going to divide that section in half after I smooth the product in really good. And you can see right here, I am twisting my hair. So I have a section A, a section B. I'm going to take section A and wrap it around section B and simultaneously wrap section B around section A. And I'm doing it really snug. I'm not doing it tight where I'm going to cause irritation to my scalp, but I'm doing this really snug. I'm doing it tight, and I have to emphasize that. You just really want to make sure that you have a nice pattern, because after you twirl your hair at the end and let it go, it is bound to just unravel a little bit. So you just want to make sure that you are twisting your hair really snug. This is going to take some time, and trust me, it's definitely worth it, but just make sure that you do your twist nice and snug. You wrap section A around section B around section A around section B, and you're just really making sure that this is tight. You're not letting go at all. You have your hair, the two strands of hair in between your fingers, and you make sure that you twist your hair nice and snug. Like I like to say, is do it with purpose. So any style that you do, no matter if it's a style or not, anything in your life that you're doing, do it with purpose and make sure that you are successful in your life. And I also wanted to mention that when I get down to the ends of my hair after the twist, I like to twirl it around my finger about 5 rotations just to make sure that the ends of my hair do stay nice and secure. So to recap, I'm making sure that I do apply a good amount of my styler and I'm working it in my hair. This particular one from Uncle Funky's daughter, the Curly Magic, I absolutely love because it really gets my curls clumped together. You see how my curls, they're getting nice and defined, and I haven't even smoothed my styler in yet. So this is why I really love it. I just like to work that styler in any style that I do. Make sure that you have worked your styler in. Work it in really good. I cannot stress that enough. And then when you twist your hair, so you're dividing your hair in half, and then you're taking 2 sections of hair and wrapping it around each other. I like to say section A and section B. You take section A, wrap it around section B, take section B, wrap it around section A, and you're doing this really snug. And I also like to comb my hair several times as I'm doing the twist just to keep my hair nice and smooth, tangle free, because as your hair is when it's wet, it is going to dry that way. So if you don't smooth the tangles out and your hair is not nice and smooth, it is going to dry like that. It's going to dry not smooth, and it's just not going to look as nice as it could if you just smooth your hair as you are twisting your hair down. I'm going to show you how I twist my hair several more times because I really want you to understand how to get a really good twist out. I find that it's more about technique and using the right products than anything else. You really want to make sure that you are using the appropriate products for you. As before when I was talking about leave-ins, for me, I find that to get a really nice, beautiful style that lasts long and my hair does not get weighed down, I do use a lighter leave-in conditioner. So I'm not going to use one that is thicker that I would use, say, if I'm doing twist as a protective style. If I want to twist out, I'm using a leave-in that is not going to be heavy and weigh my hair down at all. I'm going to continue, of course, I'm going to continue twisting my hair on the other 3 sections, and I'm going to show you my process, of course, but really just choosing the right products for you. And even when it comes down to oils, I love using oils, but if you do have kinky hair or your hair is very dense and very thick and coarse, I would recommend this product. Is really good, especially when it's smoothed in, for so many different textures, curl patterns, densities, and porosities. I absolutely love it, and it helps to keep my hair nice and moisturized. And I just really love using moisturizing products, but that does not over moisturize my hair, because at that point my hair, it's not going to hold and be defined. But I do find that using lighter weight products definitely help to keep my hair nice and moisturized, but do not weigh my hair down. And as I was saying, if your hair is really thick, dense, and coarse, this product is excellent, but you can also try using creams and even butters. They do help. Just make sure that you are using the products that are right for you. That helps tremendously when you are styling your hair. So technique is one part of it, and also finding the right products that are suitable for you definitely helps. Make sure that your hair is styled properly, you have the definition, minimal frizz, and you get a beautiful style that is going to last. I'm going to stop talking now so you can just watch and see what I do until it's time to move to the next step. And don't forget to twirl the ends of your hair. If they unravel and just don't stay put on their own, I would highly recommend to use a perm rod. But after twisting all of my hair, here is how it looks. And don't worry about the white residue because it will disappear. As you can see in the back, it has already disappeared. Now for nighttime, I'm just going to put the scarf on around my edges. It just really helps to keep my edges laid flat. And then I'm going to put my bonnet on right over top of it, and this is pretty much how I go to sleep every single night. I use my scarf around my edges and then my bonnet around my hair. Fast forward to the next day, here's how my twists look, and they are 100% dry. I would highly recommend to make sure that your hair is fully dry, at least 95% dry, because if your hair is damp, once you unravel the twist, it may hold like for a couple of minutes, if that. But then throughout the day, it's going to puff up and just become frizzy, and it's probably not the look that you're going for. So just make sure that your hair is 100% dry before unraveling, whether you have to put a cool air on it or just let your hair air dry for a couple days. But I just recommend to let your hair air dry. I love wet styling and I love air drying my hair. Now I'm going to unravel the twist again, starting back to front, and all I do is unravel the twist in the opposite direction, and look at that definition. I absolutely love it. Then I'm going to gently pull my hair down, and this is just going to allow my hair to be separated a lot easier. As I have been doing my twist outs more recently, I just find that unraveling the twist and then gently separating the curls just makes for an easier process rather than going to unravel each twist and then coming back to unravel the curls. It just makes the whole process a lot easier. So you see all of this definition. My hair is very moisturized, it's soft, and I just really love how my hair feels. It feels very healthy overall. So again, just unravel the twist in the opposite direction, gently pull down your hair, and then you can easily separate each curl. And a big tip when doing this is make sure that you do take your time. Now I'm not saying to go super slow, but you definitely do not want to rush this process, because I have been guilty of doing this a long time ago where I was in a bit of a time crunch and I just rushed through unraveling the twist, and I really regretted it because my hair became frizzy, especially at the ends. I didn't really have that definition any longer, and if I could have just, took my time or just waited to the next day to unravel the twist, I definitely would have done so. And this is what it looks like when I'm separating my curls in real time. And here's how my hair looks after I have unraveled each twist and separated the curls. Now I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and just pick at my hair, pick at the roots, and then just pull through about 2 to 3 inches just to give my hair some more volume because it was looking a little flat. And also I like to shape my hair so it just has this really nice overall shape and everything looks nice and rounded. And here's a back view of my hair. I just love the definition, and my hair, it feels so good. It's nice and soft. I hope that you enjoyed my tutorial and you learned how to improve your twist out, or you actually get it this time, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!